Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to recreate Kylie Jenner's makeup look that she shared on her Instagram for the new collection. So this is the holiday collection for Christmas and she created two different looks. So here are the looks. I'm going to combine these two looks together because I think they look alike. I've already shot this video but my camera didn't record it. So I'm sorry if it doesn't look exactly the same during the entire video because I lost only the beginning of the video when I applied the shadow on my crease. I really like this collection. Tell me what you think about this collection. Of course, I'm going to use some dupes because the collection is not out yet. So I will use some Kyliecosmetics dupes. I will also use Morphe Cosmetic. For my crease, I'm going to use this red color from Morphe Cosmetic. For the crease, I'm going to use a darker red from Kyliecosmetics. So I will use this pink with a bit of gold in it. I don't know if this color is really similar to the Kylie's one. The formula is definitely not the same, but it's kinda look alike, so I'm still going for it. I finished to apply the eyeshadow and now I'm moving to the eyeliner. I'm taking the lipstick and a brush like this. And I will take the pigment like this. It's not as opaque as an eyeliner would be, I think. I think that the formula is obviously not really adapted for eye makeup and it's my favorite lipstick, so I couldn't choose a better one, but it's doing the job. I like it. I really like to do some Kylie's tutorial because it's giving me some inspiration. Eye makeup are always really amazing. It's simple and pretty, so I like it. I will try to apply a second coat like this to make it as opaque as possible. I think that this is it for the eyeliner. I will do my under eye and then I will apply fake eyelashes but off screen. I'm taking back the Burgundy palette. I will use the red Burgundy shade. Okay, I applied my fake eyelashes. Sorry, my eyes are dying because it's my second video today. I just compared my eye look to the Kylie one and I think I need more red. I really like this look! And for my lips, she has two different lipsticks. You can use a nude one or a red one. I think I will go for the red one. But if I had to dupe the nude one, I would go for Candy K for sure. But I want a red lipstick, so I will use the same one I used for my eyes. So here is the final look. My eyes hurt me so much. I don't even want to open them. But oh my god, I have to. My eyes are burning, like seriously. I don't know how some YouTuber can make 3 different makeups, you know, in one day for a video. I can do that. I did just 2 videos and my eyes are already dying. This is the final look. I tried to do this as similar as possible and I really like this makeup. The colors are amazing and I really feel like this could be a Christmas makeup. So tell me if you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Thanks for watching.